Oh my gosh, look at this Bigfoot. No one's ever caught one of these on camera before. I am the Bigfoot hunter. I can't see Bigfoot. Yeah. This is the Bigfoot hunter. Big. 4 minutes left. Give me. Said
performed in a live video. Retarded. Do you even know what that means? That means that there's a live audience that is actually watching.
2 people playing.
I guess that's a live audience.
And the viewers out there.
And anyways, what's up guys? This is Sharon and Sam, and we're playing Modern Warfare 3. And currently he's hunting Bigfoot. Just moth camo.
But we like to call it Bigfoot.
You like to call it Bigfoot.
I am the one that thought of it. So then I became the Bigfoot.
I don't want to be Bigfoot anymore. I'm not very good at sniping, especially with the stupid ASO.
Oh. I was like, well, yes, ASO. Okay.
Good idea.
But anyway, I'm still the Bigfoot hunter.
Boom, boom, starlight, boom, 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 starlight.
I prevent the Bigfoot attack.
What's Bigfoot gonna attack? Nobody can ever see him, then what's he gonna attack?
Oh, crap!
Noob.
I'm a noob.
I just ninja struck you. You ran in front of me, and then I walked up behind you and shot you.
This is a nature documentary. Oh my gosh! Yes, this is a nature documentary on Bigfoot.
No, I'm a better one. I'm a better Bigfoot.
Oh no! Wait, so are your feet better now? That's better Bigfoot?
No.
Okay, now we can see where Bigfoot is. Crap! Oh, I can't see where he is.
A Bigfoot tracking device?
It doesn't work. Stupid machine!
Boom, boom, Would you stop shooting Bigfoot? What does he do to you?
He's preventing wildfires.
And that's a bad thing?
Oh, we got
Crazy shit.
Well, we got to make it funny. After this, we'll make the gun baby.
The gun baby.
Yes! Whenever I
Sounds
give...
so appetizing.
Awesome.
Hello.
Oh, by the way.
I'm making a video right now, by the way.
He's talking to someone.
You're on the headphones, so I'm about to put you on speakerphone.
Oh, yeah.
You are now on speakerphone.
Yes.
Me and Colton are playing Modern Warfare 3, and I guess you're hunting Bigfoot. Just so you know. Say again? Yeah, like it's the camera's rolling.
Do the roll!
Did her roll?
I said to the roll.
Yep.
And it is left.
I just like happy out right there.
Now let's try this Bigfoot tracker again. And it doesn't work!
Of course it's not going to work. I don't know what I'm doing.
You got an assassin. You're wearing an assassin. You got the assassin perk.
Probably. One, two.
Run. You got walking on. One more kill for good.
What? Oh crap.
Oh, it's not Bigfoot.
No, it's the Bigfoot protection program?
Oh no.
As a BPP.
I'm the BFF. Bigfoot. Wait. BFF.
Bigfoot Tiger.
Yeah. There we go. I'm the BFF. Best friend forever? Nope.
Nope. Bigfoot Tiger. They search for Bigfoot. Damn it, window. Let's hold me.
What? I forgot.
You're quite quiet.
Quiet.
Quite quiet.
The camera's rolling.
The camera is rolling. Roll click, roll click, roll click.
I don't remember it. The camera's got me now.
What? About a minute, 28 seconds left. I said about, too, by the way. Said about, too, by the way. Let's say about, I don't know, a minute,
After around
15 seconds now, or a minute and 30 seconds.
after a minute.
Like right now.
Like,
Why you gotta pop up behind me, homo?
I'm on the VIP list. A very important person.
I'm in the STF program, so shut the fuck up, please. Good.
Well, you need to turn the music down, please.
Golly, how'd you know I was there?
Goop scope.
Yeah, whatever. Your screen. Freaking screen. Your homo screen.
I thought this was...
Homo screen. Oh.
We're making a
Why?
video.
It's so kind of funny though.
Yeah, you
He
guys...
thought it was funny. He laughed at it.
Yeah.
I wasn't talking to you.
And if you were, you couldn't be a brother. You'd be a sister.
Colton, shut up.
Sorry.
He's saying that'd be weird if you were my brother because you would be a sister, not a brother, so.
I do have a point.
Well, thank you guys for watching. How many? I don't know how long the video is, but anyways,
7 minutes.
thank you for watching. Like if you enjoyed.
Good.
Subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.